What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and we have a great one for you today. We have an unboxing. I'm going to show you what's in the box, and we're going to get into why I think it has a lot more uses than what it's actually advertised for. I was so excited to see the quality of this product, and am going to be using it on my PC. I'm not even going to be using it the way it's advertised for a phone. I'm going to be using it on my PC as well as for my streaming setup because it is just that good. So before we jump into the unboxing, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed because 99% of you are not subscribed. And that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. So on to the unboxing itself and a bit of an explanation as I hit play here. So Hohem told me that they were going to be sending some products over, and they let me know what one product was going to be, and I haven't received that one just yet, so I'm not going to speak on that one, but they did tell me they were going to be sending me the new Hohem Mic-01. Now, the cool thing about this is it is a USB-C receiver with two TX transmitters, and essentially you plug it into any USB-C device, such as an iPhone, or the new iPhone, because it has USB-C now, any Android phone, and to my surprise, your PC. And the really, really cool thing about plugging it into your PC is that it gives you two wireless microphones, wireless lavaliere microphones that you can just walk around the house with. If you're streaming, if you're recording, whatever you happen to be doing, you can just plug it in and boom, it works. Noise canceling is done on the device itself, so you don't have to actually have any software set up to do that. You just clip your device on or use the magnet thing and you're good to go. I was super excited to see how good these mics are and how useful they are, and we'll go into why pretty soon. But let's go into the unboxing itself. You see they sent over this really cool carrying case for the device and accessories, hint, because there are accessories here. And then this is the box for the Mic-01. This is the two TX and one RX and a charging case. So two transmitters, one receiver, and the charging case. We have noise cancellation, shutter control, because you can press a button and activate the control on your device so you can start recording. And a lot more features than I expected, and we'll go into those once we actually look at the product itself. So we're gonna take off this plastic here, and here it is. Very nice looking box. Reminds me of the AirPods kind of charging case, how it lets you charge your AirPods with the device itself. This is said to charge them twice, so you can place them back in, charge it, take it out, use them, place it back in, charge it again. Two full charges from one case, so that's pretty cool. And then we have the user manual. You will want to make use of that because there's lots of features, as I'll go into shortly. Here's the user manual, V1. And there's the device itself. We can already see it. Oh, make the moment. So let's go ahead and open this up. Nice little rubber grip here. And if we open it, we see the receivers and transmitters, or the receiver and transmitters, and a USB-C charging port on the back. And inside of this smaller box here, we have some accessories. We have a charging cable, and very nice to see here, two high-quality custom molded windscreens. Gotta love the feel of windscreens, right? And these still have a hole so you can plug in your either mic or headphones through there and still make use of them. Nothing else on the box, so we'll set that aside. And now let's take a look at the receiver. So it's a 2-channel receiver. You can have both channels on at the same time. It has USB-C charging on one side and headphones on the other, so you can live monitor. Very nice to see. And of course you can use adapters to change the type that it's connected to. On here we have a magnet and a clip, so you can use the magnet itself like I'm using here and just have it held on, or you can have it clipped on. We'll go ahead and take this plastic off here, and you can see the charging port. So you can actually have a power bank. So if you want to place a power bank in your pocket and have it plugged in, you can have it charged while you're using it, or you can just drop it into the charging case to charge it that way. It is magnetized as well, so it feels really nice when you drop that in there, and this is made to go one way, so it won't go in the other way. And let's take the plastic off here, and you'll notice that there's an SD card slot as well, because you can actually plug a micro SD card into the device and record just here, and then bring it later to your computer, plug it in, and capture all the audio there. That's a super useful feature. If you don't have a phone on the go, or you don't have your recording rig on the go, you can record your actors as you're recording on your phone, and then use and sync up the audio later. And here we see what the device looks like with the windscreen on. Very nice. And they feel really, really sturdy too. They're really nice metal enclosures, so they feel really good as well. And of course, if you haven't noticed yet, the audio is being recorded for this video using the Mic-01. So I'm not actually using this mic here, I'm using the Mic-01s. And yeah, let me know what you think of the audio quality and what you think of this device, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Short views for ignorant minds. You can learn a thing or two about a new device. Unboxing kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. We build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, MikeTheTech, the architect. MikeTheTech, yeah. MikeTheTech, the architect.